even inbox le phone le yandiqoqa le chat. Le yandiqoqa le. Okay. Rock Hennessy. No, not this one. He said he dropped with Flame. Yeah, this is the one. 3 months ago. Sorry, Maji. I'm late. Cloud cassette. Yeah. Music videos been making this G. He's been cooking music videos since the culture. W baddies.
List stuff. I like.
Aibo.
God's pockets full of great stuff. In the back too, when the one with stuff. You know I'm all eyes. Watch how I move when it's slow light. I don't wanna hear about your drama, girl. Just come and spin around in slow wine. Yeah. You know I don't hold back. You know I don't forfeit. They always told me quit, bro. They told me that it won't pay. Yeah. What they all is envy. But the pockets so empty. Okay, yo. Yeah. Check. Why they always envy. But the pockets so empty. You niggas fell, so they sent me. Cause I know I lay down, my heart is heavy. Yeah, my boy David can get you stone like a lion. Get it on demand, high off my supply. My economy got class, who else this fly? My expenses can I know you like, who's this guy? In a night shell, can fit me in the night shell. Dreams.
What? Well, who does it remind you of? Fuck with the tone. Live the raps. Like, that's not what we listen to most of these days, bruh. Who does it sound like? Clean visuals. Definitely, chat. No lie. Clean. The visuals. Yeah. Chat. The visuals are sick. You guys are right. The visuals are mad sick. I was talking about something different. I was talking about his tone. His tone is just crazy. The way he does his thing, his tones. Otherwise, the visuals. Like, that's the first thing I said when the song began. I was like, yo, chat. Morale has been cooking. So I was expecting nothing less. But
come true when you're awake on the night shift. Putting in work, forget about your biceps. Only if you work harder you can afford that priceless. Can't touch, this is wildlife. This for grown-ups, let's get you in your diapers. Let me drive you so crazy like no license. Send a couple hundreds, you a minus. I didn't mean it, wait a minute, I didn't mean it. The song is so nice when everybody wants a remix. This is just a freestyle, this is how I end it. Bring it right back and you know it's so splendid, right?
You got guts, my brother, I can give you that. My guy, you got guts. If you're gonna freestyle on a song and then you put Flame on it, and then you go shoot visuals like this, okay. W henesi in the building, chat, manaka.
Yeah, we put in work, we had to lift off. Made so much, we had to list stuff. Man like God's pockets full of great stuff. In the back too, when the one with stuff. You know I'm all eyes. Watch how I move when it's slow light. I don't wanna hear about your drama, girl. Just come and spin around.
I really expected Flame to be the one doing the chorus, but W singer as well.
Slow wine, yeah. You know I don't hold back. You know I don't forfeit. They always told me quit, bro. They told me that it won't pay.
This is Dudla.
Yeah. I tell them keep the bottle life frozen. Niggas keep hating cause I'm taking your house. Shit's nasty, come and get your wifey. Now my boy Flame is using me as a side chick. Dang, pricey, she's pricey.
Hey, we going up, she be studied, I promise. Yeah. Every other night in the club with my partners. And we doing some things that you won't believe. And some shit you wish you did not see, yeah. Type shit. You can find me in the club with no fight phones like I'm Bryson. But I hit my phone, I don't like it. No. Yeah, we put in work, we had a lift off. Made so much, we had to list off. I like God's pockets full of great stuff. In the back too, wonder when we stop. You know I'm all eyes. Watch how I move when it's slow light. I don't wanna hear.
Nah, man, this is such a jam. What the fuck? Yo, this is such a jam. What the hell? What is wrong with me? Explain.
But your drama girl just come and spin around and slow wine. Yeah, you know I don't hold back. You know I don't forfeit. They always told me quit wrong. They told me that it won't pay. Yeah, what they all is envy, but the pockets so empty.
Nah, W Rock Hennessy chat. I'm telling you, clean visuals, clean delivery, fluent, everything is just smooth, operational. W Flame for coming through. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel. What's up?